Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Yahoo your homepage on Firefox. So, once you open your Firefox browser, you want to go to the settings, so click right here in the top right corner on these three lines, and then go to the settings which are right here. Then what you want to do is to go to the search, and as you can see at the default search engine you cannot find Yahoo right here. So what you want to do is to go down a little bit and click find more search engines. This will open you a new tab, the add-ons for Firefox, and here you want to just type Yahoo. Then what you want to do is to click on the first search result, so search and new tab by Yahoo, and you just want to add it to Firefox. This will bring you a notification if you really want to add this add-on, so just click add, and then in the option search and new tab by Yahoo would like to change your default search engine from Google to Yahoo, you want to click yes. And here you can allow this extension to run in private windows, but you don't need to, so you don't need to mark this, it's up to you. Just click OK. And from this time, after adding this add-on, if you open a new tab, this will search in the Yahoo. So let's type, for example, what year is it? And as you can see, this is going to search in the Yahoo right now. So once you open the Firefox again, and you just want to search something at the Firefox, maybe let's type Google, this is going to search in the Yahoo as you can see right now. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.